All right, this is a trade journal for December 28th. Yes, today I had traded three stocks. RELI, I'll go with that one first. This was a nice setup. Little low float, so I didn't really take any size. Locates were pretty expensive, so another secondary reason I didn't take size. I wish I did take more size, but overall, I think the float was 10 million, but a lot of it was controlled by insiders, so I wasn't super comfy on this, but I was pretty confident in the play. I started in short pre-market as it looked like it had topped out. After this slam down and touched to 750, I started in. On this big day, 750 was an important number, as was 730s, and then after that it was 680s. So I started in there. I took pretty much my full size. Then after the open, I covered about 1/3 down here. I put it back on. I covered another third, and then this wasn't the best add. I put it back on again. And up here, I really wanted to add, but what I was looking for was for it to stuff in the 680s, and then it went higher than I thought. I mean, it's still bearish here. I think this is just where VWAP was. Let's just check. Yeah, that was above VWAP there, and then it slammed. And I was looking for a jam back up to 680s here. I never got it, and then I just took it all off. I assumed it would go to around low 590s, and pretty much did. So that pattern played out well. It gave back exactly half of its move. So it was 412 to 750, and it gave back more than $1.50 like I expected. SOPA was my screw up of the day, unfortunately, but fortunately on small size. This I never really should have even looked at. Not a big deal though. Took a few shares here and then added a tiny more here. Cut it when I got over the 1450s, I believe. Left it alone. Then I added a tiny bit back up here. Took off half because I was just getting impatient. And then I got the rest out over here. So it wasn't, I think I lost like 100 or something on this. Then AMC, I traded it 2 times. On the other account, I came out down 25. This one, I think I had a little win. I think this is done. I think tomorrow I might have a big collapse, mainly because the SPY has really just gone on a tear and been strong, whereas this stock is just having lower and lower and lower bounces. And for me, this 2830s is like kind of one of the last levels for me, and then after that it's 2750. So once it loses this 2750, this is the level it lost on the last big panic, and then it just went all the way to 20s. I don't think it's going to go that fast, but I will be eyeing this tomorrow and expect to swing it down to the 20s again. If it doesn't do that, if it reclaims this 2850s, I'm just going to leave it alone. Then GRTX. This was disappointing that I missed this, but the chart just didn't. It just doesn't look clean to me, so I didn't have any confidence in it. Overall, it's really been a huge move. It's gone from, the 1s to 5s, mid 5s. It's a big move. And I guess tomorrow what I'm looking for is a pop to the 470s and then a sell, or maybe if it squeezes out to 480s, 490s, and then I imagine it can retrace all the way down to the mid 3s. So that's on watch for tomorrow. GRTX, AMC, and who knows, maybe we'll have something nice at the open.